Atlantis, arriving. Welcome to the International Space Station for the last time. That's great to be here, station. We'll see you shortly.
Well, welcome to day 6. Today is where everything has been totally turned on. Parasites are gone. Immune system's replaced. It's fixing stuff like crazy. Your cells are grinding up useless cells. Macrophages are dissolving them, basically. And stem cells are in massive replication now. When you turn off PKA, your stem cells start the regeneration cycle of duplicating themselves. The ones they duplicate run off and make transit amplifying and all that stuff. But every day, for 5 days, they're regenerating a whole new crop, and you've got this overlapping system of stem cell populations. So when the fast ends tomorrow, those keep going on because it's a one-way direction. Once they regenerate, they duplicate and duplicate, become progenitor cells and all that good stuff. And that's where the lifespan increase happens. Because your stem cells are essentially what is left of your embryonic stage. These cells have active telomerase. There is no loss of telomere ends. These are essentially immortal cells. And the more you can plug in immortal cells into your body, do the math. I'm getting some questions, however, that I think need addressing. Very, very thin people that want to dry fast. I would suggest putting on 5-10 pounds of weight of fat. Eat a bunch of bread, butter, all that kind of stuff, whatever you need, because you need the fat to keep yourself alive during a dry fast, keep yourself with plasma glucose and all that good stuff. And if you're too thin, I know everybody says, oh, you'd be surprised how much fat you really have. Now, if you're like nearly 6 feet and only 140 pounds, you need to put on some weight. Just out of safety's sake, because you need the fat to be your fuel source when you're not eating anything and there's no sugar in the system. That's my advice. And I think it's easier. Another thing, really young people trying to dry fast. Well, if you're really overweight, yeah, please, it's probably a good idea, because you can dump a lot of weight really fast. And but you haven't had enough time to accumulate a lot of toxins. So if you're really thin and you're young, better put on some weight. I've had a lot of time to think about this, because that is the foundation of being able to keep this thing going, is the fat you have. Now, I've lost 15.5 pounds since I started. 5 of that is water, I'm sure. Come back the first day I started drinking my delicious coconut water. 10 of that is just pure fat. It's like 40 sticks of butter. And I'm skinny, I'm thin now. You know, it's good, that's fine. So now when I go to the gym and do the tricks in Neogenesis, in my other book, to rapidly gain muscle mass, it'll show up. It'll be seen easier, which is nice. So today is day 6. Day 6 is another day of kind of being tired and taking a lot of naps. But hang in there. You're in the last stretch. And if you followed me this far, congratulations. My heart is with you. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. And it doesn't look that good out there today. A little angry. But that's okay. I'll just take a walk instead. Love you guys. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.